Hello everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to make Thai iced green tea, also known as Cha Keow Yen. The ingredients are listed below. I will be using the ChaTraMue Brand. Take note that this is the green tea infused with jasmine and not the regular Japanese matcha. To make this tea, make sure to use a filter, a cheesecloth, or a strainer and put 2 heaping tablespoons of the loose tea leaves. Make sure to fasten to keep the tea in place. Then carefully fill the cup with hot water. Steep the tea for at least 5 minutes to infuse and fully extract the flavor. Once fully extracted, remove the tea bag and add 1 tablespoon of white sugar, followed by 1 tablespoon of condensed milk. Stir it vigorously until everything is well blended. Then add 2 tablespoons of evaporated milk. Then stir again to incorporate everything. Prepare a glass full of ice and carefully transfer the tea mix and stir it one last time to make the drink cold. And you may now serve your iced green tea. Enjoy!